Dredging the depths. Very nice, very nice. Very stylized. Morning light fills your eyes as you try to sit upright. You're lying on the cold, wet dock where you collapsed the night before. Do I see myself there? I don't think so. Continue. Left mouse button. Oh, a short man is shouting orders at a handful of workers disembarking from a boat nearby. The man notices you. Welcome to Great Marrow. I must say, quite the dramatic first impression. I see you've already introduced yourself to the jagged rocks along the bay. Oh, okay. Did you not see the lighthouse? It was shining right at you. Ah, well, I'm glad to see our new fisherman upright and breathing. This is the mayor. Okay. Your boat was hopelessly damaged, but I've had a few of you, the locals, move your things to one of our old vessels. We'll catch up later to discuss more details. I'll let you get out there to catch some fish, see if you can fill your cargo while you get your bearings in the light. Pursuit added. Okay, pursuit's a quest. Finally, I don't suppose I need to say this, but get back by sundown or before the fog rolls in. Keep a close eye on the time. It can really creep up on you. Alright. Undock. Here we go. Alright. Move forward, west, reverse, turn. Okay. Seems pretty typical. Okay, so it's mouse look kind of here as well. And off we go. Okay. So I have a light. I can turn the light on and off. Nice little thing in the corner. Tell me what I can do there. Alright. Rotate the camera. Mouse left and right. Adjust height forward and backward. Ah, okay. All right. This can become fairly intuitive. Oh, what happened there? Move to the fishing spot. Look for splashes on the surface, then press F to start fishing. All right. So we'll go here and we'll press F. Oh, wow. Now, here's the cargo system. This looks really cool. So, disturbed water, stock high, coastal. Start fishing with F. Catchable fish types, coastal fish. That makes sense. WASD-F. Okay. Blue mackerel, species data added to your encyclopedia. Okay. Now I need to place the blue mackerel in my inventory. So I can rotate it, place it, or discard it. So I'm gonna keep it back here by the motor. That seems crazy. I'll put it over here. Now, practically worthless, but enough to stave off hunger. I could pick it up and move it. Discard it with a Z. Okay, leave with X. So if that's WASD, that should be X. All right, that's a little fishing spot. I could go back to there. Now if I shift, do I go faster? No, it doesn't look good. So this looks like a nice spot here. F. Start fishing. F. Wait. F. Oof. Oh, well, I guess I got it. Okay, so now he's kind of, boom, put him there. Nice. And X. All right. Ooh, these look like flounder. Huh? No? Why can't I fish here? Oh, I don't have the right equipment. Oh. Leave. X. So I gotta go kind of deep water. I get it. Timely events is when you're moving, fishing, or taking other specific actions. F. I've got another blue mackerel. All right. And I'm going to fish some more. Another blue mackerel. Leave X. Then we get something else interesting. It's kind of odd. I do feel like I'm trying to move and close enough. Another cod. There we go. Put the cod there. All right. Yeah, I'll go for one more. Whoops. All right. I don't like the cod all that much. Nope. I know I said I wasn't gonna do that, but then what the heck? One more. There are no more fish. Oh, okay. Leave X. Now, select your light by holding E, then toggle with, all right, E, then toggle with the mouse button. Oh, I see, I can do these different things. Spyglass. Wait, E. Oh, I see, I have to select it. Then E. Got it. Oh, there's fish. I don't remember, I have to... All right. Ooh. All right. Alright. Oh, what am I doing? Pay attention. I'll go for some more. Here we go. Okay. I need another one of these cod. Right? Or I could reorder things. Oh, tab. What's going on there? Oh, increases panic. Oh, I don't want to do that. I do have this tendency to think I'm steering by looking, and I'm not. Ooh. All right. Inspect. A floating buoy. It serves to mark safe passage past dangerous rocks and obscured hazards. Okay, cool. Dim light also provides brief respite in the gloom of the night. Okay. Oh. So at the top there, Monday. Yikes. Oh, darn. Oh dear. Did not see that about to happen. Okay. What do I do now? Catch fish for the day. Oh, I can mouse my way around here. Shallow, not caught. Oh, okay. This is cool. Discovered 3 of 151 fishing types. All right. How do I get back to moving though? Tab. All right. There we go. It's weird. I think. Oh, X. That's what must have happened there. Oh gosh. It's getting foggy. That's not cool. Ah! Whoa. Yikes. Oh no. Okay. Don't be an idiot next time. All right, let's start fishing. Oh gosh. Oh, okay, let's see. Hold on. This, then I'll move that, then I'll move that, then I'll move that, then I'll move that, that, that. Then I'll place that. And then I'll place that. All right. That's all I'm going to fit. So, sorry. Head back. Something slippers into my cargo hold. What? What the heck is going on? Arrow squid. What's going on with this thing? Anchor, anchor. Dock, F. Come on, F. 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 Oh, I gotta hold F down. Mayor is waiting nearby. Awesome. Ah, I see you've returned one piece. Very good. Before you head off to town, we should discuss the matter of your boat. As mentioned earlier, your old boat was too badly damaged to be repaired. However, I'm more than happy to sell you that replacement vessel, yours to own. I understand you may not, I'll consider it a loan, but I want to make this easy for you. Until your debt is repaid, a tiny portion of fish sales will go towards paying it off. A small amount of interest will go towards improving the town. So to recap, you need to sell fish at the local market, paying off your debt, and in turn, keeping the population fed and satisfied. Understand? Okay, selling fish helps the town and pays off my debt. Got it. Where do I sell the fish? Okay, off you go then. Sell the fish while they're still fresh. Okay, fishmonger. You enter a squalid shack on the fringe of the marketplace. The familiar smell of fish fills the air. Flies buzz haphazardly around a downcast man behind the counter. You're the new fisherman, eh? Surprised they found a new one so fast. What happened to the other one? He takes a certain type of person to last out here. It's not a life for everyone. Anyway, to business. I'll pay you for fish. Bigger and fresher means more money. Some species are just worth more, too. Other towns on the island might pay you different, but while you've still got a debt outstanding here, I'd suggest you work on paying it off first. Okay? So, let's see what you've got. All right. Sell all fish. All right. How was that? Return to town. Mayor standing outside the fishmonger's store. Excellent work. I've no doubt you'll be able to provide for this town. Look here, I found this down by the docks. I'm sure someone like you could make something out of it. Why don't you take it? So, research part. A curious-looking component could be used to develop some new equipment, but would need some investigation at a dock first. Pick up, of course. Store. I'll put it there. One last thing, our local shipwright mentions she might be able to help make some modifications to your ship. You should pay her a visit. Okay, so I can research, I can rest, I can undock. I'm gonna rest. Oh, well, I'm going to call it there and say, okay, we've demonstrated the basic mechanics of catching fish and the inventory system, where I have to like kind of Jenga Tetris things into the inventory system and fill up and go back to town. I collect parts, I research, I will assume I'm going to wind up updating or upgrading my ship. I'm going to visit the shipwright to do that. I go to the fishmonger to sell things, and I assume I can store things here. So I can do this. Put that there, and I guess these are all just stuff. Damage. Okay, so I go to the shipwright probably to fix my ship. I want to do that. I'll do that. X. Shipwright. Okay. As you walk into the yard, you see the shipwright making repairs to a damaged hull. She looks up at you briefly before turning back to her work. You must be the new fisherman. I can make improvements to your vessel in the yard. Mind you, I'm not in the business of doing favors around here. Payment is up front, and everything takes some time to install. Also, if you take any damage from the rocks, or damage at all, I can patch it up, mostly. She shrugs and gestures towards... Everyone's got this, like, New England Maine accent. Because they should. She shrugs and gestures towards the hull she's currently attempting to repair. A number of wooden boards, all well above the waterline, are splintered and scratched. Take a look around. Just remember, the bigger the equipment, the longer it takes to install. So plan ahead. Okay. Repair all, $60. Oh, shallow. Catches shallow. I have catches... Oh, I need something better than that. Okay. Engines. I think I gotta start with this. Damage sections. Boom. Alright, that was good. How much more money you got? Repair all, repair this, repair that. Wow. I don't got money for that. I don't know if I got any more money at all. Where'd it all go? Return to town. I'm gonna hit tab here. Lights, damage, stuff. Cabin. Pursuits, messages, map. Oh, there's my money. $70. Return to town. Let's go to the... Oh, wait. No, that's how much I have to... Let's go to shipwright again. Okay. Oh, 150. 75. I just don't have enough. Cloudy lens. Wow, stuff's expensive. I'd have to be doing some, a lot more fishing. So, on that note, I am going to assume that if I return to town and I press escape, there we go. So, resume, save and quit, restore default settings. There we're gonna go. Save and quit. Sure you wanna quit? Your game will be saved. Thank you. All right, so far so good. Liking Dredge. Graphics are cool, nice and stylized. Plays really nice. Everything's pretty straightforward. Haven't gotten like all bogged down in a lot of menu stuff just yet. So picking it really quick. I like the combination of mouse and keyboard. Feels very natural. My Razer Tartarus might not be the best thing for this because it's, you know, that's definitely more WASD Twitch kind of stuff where I probably am going to want to keep track of all the more of the other keys and things. Maybe if I had the lighting turned up on the Tartarus, that would help. But so far so good. And yeah, sure enough, it does kind of work the way I thought it would, with the inventory system being, you know, kind of Tetris Jenga, put stuff in, fit stuff in, move it around, and sail around, catch fish, talk to different people, different islands. It's all very good. And we haven't even gotten into the whole kind of like crazy Gods of the Deep yet. Okay, cool. I guess I gotta quit so I can stop recording.